Let's fucking go. Cruising in the night, yeah, I'm rolling in my Beamer. Black Beamer, blacked out, ain't nobody meaner. V8 engine growling, you can hear it from afar. Downpipe screaming like a beast in the dark. Windows tinted black, can't see inside. Got the city on my back, it's a midnight ride. Black rim spinning like a shadow on the road. Twin turbo, whistling as my story unfolds. Black Beamer, blacked out, feel the power in my soul. M5 on the prowl, let the night take control. Smoke clouds rising as we tear up the scene. Living life in the fast lane, chasing big dreams. In the backseat, sipping on that lean. They love the way I roll, got 'em feeling like a queen. Adrenaline rushing, heart racing with the speed on this endless highway, fulfilling every need. Street lights flash by like stars in the sky. In this black Beamer world where only eagles fly. Engine humming like a symphony of power. Every second counting, living life by the hour. Beamer, blacked out, feel the power in my soul. M5 on the prowl, let the night take control. Smoke clouds rising as we tear up the scene. Living life in the fast lane, chasing big dreams.
With every twist and turn, I feel alive and free. In this blacked out world, it's just my car and me. Riding through the night with a passion burning bright. In my black Beamer dream, I'm ready for the flight.
We riding through the midnight glow. Black Beamer on the move with the unstoppable flow. Black Beamer, black Beamer, black Beamer, black Beamer, black Beamer, yeah, oh let it go. Black Beamer, yeah, black Beamer, yeah, hop and let it go.